Well, on Amazing Kitchen today, I'll be discussing sushi, a specific type of sushi called Chirashi. Now, if you've never heard of it, it's basically a rice bowl with chopped fish and vegetable laid on the top. But traditionally, this started in the 1800s in the Edo period of Japan. So what happened was the good slices of fish were used for sashimi and nigiri. Nigiri is the one with the rice at the bottom, and sashimi is without the rice. So the leftover pieces, which are not as beautiful, were used for shirachi. Oh, it's very hot out here. So what happened is the not so beautiful pieces are cut into cubes, into smaller chunks, and laid on the rice. So then it's presented in a different way so that it's also tasty to serve for the clients. So I'll be discussing that with you today, and I'll be showing you how to make a very simple one today because my friend got a nice 5 kilogram of whole salmon just flown in from Japan, and I'll be cutting it together with you. Then I also got some uni. So we're having it with some uni, some sashimi salmon, and then some vegetable and great wasabi. Because a dish like this is just simply soy sauce with wasabi and some fresh ingredients over a sour rice, then it's very tasty to have. I'm sure it's a very popular dish that is enjoyed all around the world. Okay, let's see how this one is done. So what do you think of the dish? Is Chirashi something that you enjoy when you go to a Japanese restaurant? I mean, this is something of one of my favorite when I want to make it simple, especially at home. I just simply cut up the fishes and make my rice and spread it over the top. It's very easy to serve in a big group because it's simple to make. You don't need to make the individual sushi or sashimi on your own. All right, well, I mean, it's quite a simple but very elegantly tasting dish. I mean, you're free to dress it up anyhow you like. In this one, I have some uni with some fresh salmon. But what would be your favorite fish topping or seafood topping that you like to have on the top? Sometimes I put some tuna also. So tuna is not very easy to come around. If I get a nice quality tuna, then that's what I use. All right, well, I mean, it's really that simple. I'm standing on a suspension bridge right now, looking over this beautiful waterway. So it's just so, it brings back so much memories, you know. And having this dish is just right, you know. It's just the perfect environment to have it in. All right, well, now's the time when I ask you to subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure you hit the bell button. The bell button will notify you on our next upload. All right, well, check out our other playlists. We have some other sushi playlists, our Japanese playlist. If you like traditional Chinese dish or even French or Italian cuisine, check out our other playlists. All right, well, I guess that's about it. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming episode. Comment below and let us know. Okay, until next time, we'll see you again.